Stu, you have the stats for me on Arizona?
I do, Glenn. And this is part of what you were just talking about of why, Republicans get so caught up on whether they have to please Hispanics in some magical way, which means leniency of the law. And in Arizona, that is not proving out to be the case. It's been widely publicized that 70 to 23 is the support level of residents of Arizona. But when you break it down by race, there's a category for other, which includes Latinos, Native Americans, and Asian Americans. Mainly Latinos. It's overwhelmingly Hispanic population there in the other category, and the other category in Arizona favors this law 63 to 36. It's a wide disparity in favor of the Arizona law being tighter on illegal immigration, and this goes across even the African American vote, which is obviously 95% approval rating for Barack Obama. In Arizona, the African American are split 50 to 50. On this law, which is, paradise for conservatives among African-American voters. But listen to this. If you say, it must be all those Republicans. Well, actually, Democrats support it 51 to 43. It must be all those conservatives. Well, liberals support it 44 to 39. Well, it must be all those rich people. Well, poor people under $20,000 support it 60 to 34. Oh, it must be all those old people. Well, young people support it by a vote of 72 to 28. This is widespread support because people believe it's going to be effective to solve a problem. That's what Republicans need to focus on.
That was almost erotic.
Yeah, no, it is. You know what? Put that in the show tonight. I need to put those up on the chalkboard. I don't care where we tuck them in. I got to put that in.
Sure, yeah.
But it is that is the difference. Americans are ready to solve problems. The government is only making them worse. That's all they're doing. They're playing politics. Yep. This law does not negate Arizona law. It doesn't negate everything else. It's like the Nazis. Oh, let me see your papers, please. Who carries papers? Well, I don't know about you. I carry a driver's license. Am I alone in that? Let's start with that. Have you ever been asked for your driver's license when you've been pulled over because you had a blinker that was out? You ran a stoplight, you were going too fast. When the cop came to the door and said, need to see your driver's license and registration and proof of insurance, did you say, who the hell are you? No, I don't swear at the officer or throw a bottle at him. I hand him my driver's license and proof of insurance and registration. That's what I do. And then we move on with our life. For whatever reason, we are the only country on earth that is expected to tolerate such blatant disregard for our immigration policy. Mexican President Felipe Calderon has made it clear that he considers Arizona law intolerant and a clear human rights violation. That is really fascinating. Mr. President, do you know in your own country of Mexico, your own government bars foreigners for entering if they upset, quoting your own law, the equilibrium of national demographics? Isn't that profiling? If outsiders don't enhance the country's, quoting again, economic or national interest, end quote, or are, quote, not found to be physically or mentally healthy, end quote, they're not welcome in your country. Neither are those who show, quote, contempt against national sovereignty or security, end quote. So they must not be economic burdens on society, no welfare, and they must have clean criminal histories. Those seeking to obtain Mexican citizenship must show a birth certificate, provide a bank statement proving economic independence, pass an exam, and prove that they can provide for their own health care. And that's in Mexico, sir. I don't know if you are aware of your own laws in your own country. Illegal entry into your own country is equivalent to a felony, punishable by 2 years imprisonment. Document fraud is subject to fine and imprisonment. So is alien marriage fraud. Evading deportation is a serious crime in Mexico. Illegal re-entry after deportation is punishable by 10 years in prison. Foreigners may be kicked out of the country without due process in your country. And show me your papers. Well, in Mexico, you better be ready just to do that. Mexico's National Catalog of Foreigners tracks all outside tourist and foreign nationals. A national population registry tracks and verifies the identity of every member of the population who must carry a citizen's identity card. Visitors who do not possess proper documents in Mexico and proper identification are subject to arrest as illegal aliens. So, Felipe, if I may, Cálera la boca. I know I butchered that. Let me translate. Shut the pie hole. And please, progressives, spare us the endless hand-wringing over trying to do the job the federal government won't do. There are simple steps, 3 simple steps to solving this problem once and for all. Number 1, secure the border. Number 2, enforce the law. And then encourage legal immigration to enrich us, enhance us, and renew us.